Hello, how you doing? Look, what we're looking at here is some potato cauliflower spicy burgers, little kind of pate things. I've done them in that shape. You can do them in any shape. Super versatile, really delicious. They're vegan, they're vegetarian, and they're well tasty. Welcome back to How to Cook It. So I've got the 4 cups here of mashed potato. That's just mashed. There's no butter or anything added, just a straight mashed potato. 4 cups of cauliflower, I've just steamed that up and just cooked that. Half a cup of cilantro or coriander, half a cup of green or spring onions, whatever you call them. Salt and pepper to taste, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a 1/4 cup of flour. That's just a plain regular wheat flour. You could, change that over to some potato flour or cornstarch or something like that. And then 2 teaspoons each here, turmeric, cumin, coriander, and chili. What we're going to do is we're going to get this into the food processor and mash it all together. So first, what I want to do is I just want to give the cauliflower a little whiz up first. Let me do that. Okay, so you can see that that's been blended up a little bit. We're now going to add the 1/4 cup of flour, the 1/2 cup of cilantro or coriander. I mean, you can change that as well, maybe put parsley in, 1/2 cup of the green onions or spring onions, salt and pepper to taste, the ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon, which is a 50-50 mix of the two, blended up nicely, and then turmeric, chili, coriander, and cumin. Again, we're going to go for about 30-40 seconds. As you can see, the spices have mixed together really nicely, and then we're going to add the potato, the last ingredient, and go again for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. And there you go, you can see our mixture's done now. Now if you wanted, if you don't have a machine like this, you could do it by hand. You'd have to get the cauliflower and chop it really small and then get it in a bowl and go for it. So our mixture's done. You can adjust spices and change the spices. You don't have to go with the ones that I've used. What we're going to do now is just form it into whatever balls or pates or whatever you want to use, and we're going to fry them off. Very simple. So look, I've just formed them in my hand, that size, regular kind of burgery size things. You know what I mean? You can see them, the size in my hand there. You can turn them into balls. You can do whatever you want. Now, we've got quite a lot here. I'm only going to be making 8 today. The rest of them I'm going to form like that, and I can freeze them. They freeze really nicely. I'll be freezing them and I can use them at a later date. Let's get on with this. So in there I've got some oil. I've got a really small amount of oil. You don't want too much at all. And we're just going to simply place our shapes in. And like I say, I'm just going for this shape. These fit nicely in a kind of, in a pav or into a burger or something like that. Going to do 4 at a time. And medium heat. Everything's cooked inside them. We're just kind of browning them up and stuff. So nothing too high, the heat, medium heat. And I'll be flipping them a few times. You know what we're looking for, a nice kind of bit of colour on each one. Okay, these are done, nice and sort of toasty there. You can do them a bit more if you want. They're fairly delicate, so be careful. But that's it, job done. I'm gonna get them out, do 4 more, and job's a good one. Well done, everyone, beautiful stuff. So there you go, job done. Now you can put them into a burger or into a pav bread, something like that. You can have them with some fries, you can eat them just like that. Get some mayo on it. Get some tarramin sauce, some chutneys, anything like that. They're really versatile, they're really beautiful. And like I say, I've done 8 there. The rest of them in the freezer. I can pull them out as and when. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.